Hi everyone, welcome to Linux Bennett channel. We'll be looking at another mental ability, the quantitative reasoning. There's no reason why you guys should not be a part of my channel. There's no reason why you should not be a part of my class. Call this number, 87654926161. Get your child started now. Let's go. Alright, there are 2 white cubes and 10 red cubes in a bag. Right, I don't like that. Ticks up there. If one is taken out without looking, which statement is true? It is more likely to draw a red cube, than a white cube. That is true. Number 22 says, look at the number pattern below. Which number should be placed in the empty box? Alright, so from what I see, I think they're adding 7. So let's add 7 to 35, that should be 42. 7 4 is 28, 7 5 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 9 63. Alright, so they're gonna go by that. So that's what's the answer? 42. How many persons got that? Guys, remember you're encouraged to try the questions right, as you go along. Jolene collects eggs on her farm every morning. She puts the eggs in cartons and holds 12 eggs each. That hold 12 eggs each. On Monday, she collected 29 eggs. How many more eggs does she need to complete her last carton? So, this is very easy. So, we have 12, 12. So, she only that. So, that's at 24, right? So, she basically have this in one carton. She have 5. So, she needs how many more to make 7? How many more to make 12, which is 7? Alright, so let's move on to 24. Mrs. Brown rewards her students by putting a star next to their name on the bulletin board. For every 5 stars students earned, students get a prize. Brenda got 3 prizes last month. Which could be the number of stars Brenda got? It is possible that she got 5, she got 3. Every 5 stars she get a prize. She got 3 prizes, so that's 15. So she have to have at least 15, but not reach 20. So it's 18. Sorry, Brenda, just you need 2 more. Maurice and Vicky went to walk. Their walk is shown on the map below. So Maurice and Vicky. Oh, they're not on it. Just the bank, bookstore, library, and high school. If they continue walking in the same pattern, which building will they walk directly to? Oh, so this is bone. And then they got so. I don't even understand this question. Because see the part here. Oh, I just see this, guys. Guess what? I didn't see that something here. Let me just, because I think probably you guys don't see it too. There is a part there. I thought it was just an arrow, but there is a part there. Look, let's go. I'm gonna make this bigger because I want you guys to see. I did not see it. It took me forever to see it. So this is the part. Didn't see this here? Just kidding. So shall I go up 1, go 2. So 1, let me see the pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2. So she should go 2 now. 1, 2, go up again. 1, 2, and then up. So it's a library. Whoa, I did not see that one coming. Alright. Let's move on. So she would go at the library. I was wondering what in the world. Alright. Byron is making a garage for his toy car out of a shoebox as shown below. Each toy is 5 centimeters wide. If all the toy cars are parked in one side by side, what is the greatest number of toys that fit in the wheel? So basically, one of his cars is 5, the other one was 6, 5, 6, 30. Alright, so that would be 6. In the pattern below, the numbers next to each other in each row add up to the number above them. Which number should be x? In the pattern below, the number next to each other in the row add up to the number above them. Okay. So above them. So 7 plus 3 is add up to 10. This one, right? This one. In the pattern below, the numbers next to each other add up to the numbers of the number above them. So this plus something get 20. That's what I'm getting from this. And then this and this is that number here. And this plus a number get that number here. That's what I'm getting from it. Alright, see this makes sense? 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3. So these are 5. 3 and 4, 7. Alright, so yeah, take it from the angle. 7 and 5, 12. So this should be 8. 8 and 12, 20. Boom, boom. Yo, that question is sick, I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love this question. Absolutely love it. At first, I wasn't getting what they were saying, but it makes sense. What they are saying, basically, these two numbers must add up to give you one above. Alright? So 3 and 4, 7, 2 and 3, 5, 1 and 2, 3. 3 and 5 give you 8, 5 and 7 give you 12, 12 and this give you 20, so it's x. It should be 8. This is awesome. That was an awesome question. They just need to structure it better so you can understand exactly what they say. Alright, the graph below shows the total points for 5 houses, A, B, C, and D, and a sports day. We got mini house. Which conclusion can be drawn from the graph? House A played in more events. A. No, it's a points, not necessarily. I'm not going to see what B say. House D had more points than A, that is lie. A had a total of 98 points. House A had the most points for the 5 houses. I'm going to go with C. All 5 houses are between 90 and C. Don't make them take part in more events. Then just get more points. 29, Barbara asked her friends to guess the number of cousins she had. She gave them the following clues. The number is greater than 5. The number is less than 15. When the number is divided by 2, the answer is an odd number. When the number is divided by 3, the answer is an even number. What? Yeah, this one. So less than 15. So basically, all of them eligible. More than 5. So all of them eligible. Alright, well, we can just take it from here. When the number is divided by 2, it's odd. Sorry, so I'm going to say 6. Because I'm thinking it's 6 here. You get get an odd number. When the number is divided by 3, it's even. So 6, you know. 6. Let me see what else if I here. So couldn't be 12. That's 12 divided by 3, that's an even number. No, this is a gear odd. Even. 12 divided by that is 6. 6 are even, so 6. Right. And 14, you can eliminate 14 and 10 because they are not divisible by 3. So it have to be 12 or 6. Alright. But if I use 12 and I divide it by 2, you'll get that even. So that's even. Alright. So that is 6. Cassie puts 98 beans in the jar shown below. How many more beans are needed to fill the jar? How the hell must I know? All them questions, guys, you know, go to did some of them questions. Just, you know, you know, this is a small piece. Alright, so basically it's a 98. So you can judge it, right? This is a 198. Alright, so 98, 98, about 300. Alright. Guys, remember you have to answer the questions before me, alright? Anna, Jeff, and Judah together earn $2,700 washing cars. They will share the money equally. Which expression could they use to find out how much money they will each get? So since it's 3 of them, they divide it by 3 equally. Guys, it's an idea. Go and wash some cars and make some money. Guys, ensure that you are subscribed. Please ensure that you share with someone, alright? Miss Palmer bought boxes of tea at the store. Each box contains 12 tea bags, which could be the total number of tea bags that Mrs. Palmer bought. Each box contains 12, which could be, okay, it has to be a multiple of 12, so multiple of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. So it's 60. Let's move on to 33. When the number square below is completed, any 3 number in a line will add up to 24. 3 numbers that can be added across of what? Oh, the 3 numbers can be added across, up, down, or diagonally. So the mark to find A. What number should replace A? 30 seconds, guys. Which number should replace A? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Type in the answer. What's your opinion? Type 33, whatever you think, and then put the number. Not even show you guys the options, alright? Work it out, guys. Work it out. What's the approach? What's the approach? Make it bigger for you guys. 24 must be there for each one of them. Let's go, let's go. Alright, without looking at the option, let's see if we can figure it out. Alright, so you guys would have gotten the time. So each one of them must be 24, all sides, right? As it says, when the number square below, the number square below is completed. Any 3 number in a line will add up to 24. Any 3. And I try to fill up the entire box if it's possible. 3 numbers can be added across, up, down, or diagonally. So basically, look how easy it is. We have 2, 8. How much more we need? It's at 10, right? So this at 12. No, something not right. 2 8s, that's 10. So this will be 14. Alright, so 6 8, that 6 8. This should be 12 also. No, can't be 12 because it's supposed to get what? 24. So it's our 16. and then now you have 6 and 4, 20. So this is 4. And that means 4 and 8 are 12, 12 and 12, 24. Alright, so let's check if everything go according to this. Is an awesome question. Oh my god, I love it. 6 and this, 22 plus that, 24. 4 and 8, 12 and that, 24. 14 plus that correct. Let's go away now. 6 and 4, 10 and that, 24. 16 and 8, yeah, that correct. This now 2 and that, 14 and that, 24. Let's go diagonally now. 14 and 8, 22 and 2, 24. 6 and 8, 14 and that, 24. This is an awesome question. So the value of that would be 4. I love this question. Big up, man. Big up for this. So that would be 4. Alright, let's move on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. This is an awesome question. Marvin places toy cars in 5 rows and 7. 5 rows, 7 cars in each row. Which expression can be the number of toy cars Marvin has? So it's 5 by 7. 5 by 7. 5 by 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's E. 5 multiplied by 7, which is 35 cars. Tony cuts a tree in 45 logs. He places the logs in place of in stacks of 6 as shown below. How many stacks is possible? How many logs does he have left? Alright, so you have 6, 45 divided by 6. 6, 6, 36, so you have 7 stacks. So 3 is 7 stacks. Stacks of 7 and 3 remain. That's what they ask. So how many have you have left after you have stack them out, alright? Three children, Mary, Sean, and Trey, counted their money. The shaded portion of the blocks below represent the amount of money Sean and Trey have. Alright. So 3 children, Sean, Trey, counted their money. The shaded portion of the blocks represent the amount of money they have. Alright, so let's see. What am I ask? Mary has more money than Sean, but less than Trey. Which could be the amount of money? Okay. Alright, so let's kind of figure out how many across. So we have, let's do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 3, that's 32. So this is 32 for Sean. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 44. So what they say now, Mary has more than Sean, but less than 3. So it has to be between 32 and 44. So between 32 and 44. Between. So that's 39. Very nice question. 37. Nadia, Sandra, and Denise each has a pearl collection. Nadia collected 197 pearls, Sandra collected 32 pearls, and Denise collected 98 pearls. What is the best estimate for the total number of pearls 3 people had collected? So let's go. We are gonna add them. So you have 197, 98, and 32. So an estimate. So let's go 2, 8, 10, 7 carry 1, 9 and 1, 10, 19, that's 22. And then you have 327. So 330. I was gonna take 320. It's 327. So the best estimate would be 330. Let's see if we add correctly. 2 and 8, 10, and that 7, 7 carry 1, 19. That's 10, 19, and 322. Yeah. So it will be 330 because we round up much closer, so we go up. Alright, 38, there are 34 players traveling in 5 different vans to a cricket match. If there were 8 people traveling in each of the first 4 vans, how many people would be traveling in the 5th van? Alright, so let's just see. So our total is 34. In the first 4 vans, there are 8 people. So it's going to be 8 in the 8 times 4. So that gives us a total of 32 persons. So in the 5th one, it will be 34 minus 32. And that will be 2. So 2 persons will be in the 5th one, the upper cell. Alright, let's move on to this one. Several football teams practice on the 3 school fields listed below. The schedule shows the times different teams practice each Saturday. Use the schedule below to answer question 39 and 40. So the 2 questions is going to be based on Saturday morning, see the time there, blah, 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 blah. Let us see what them ask first, and then we can approach it from that. Alright. Which field is used for the least hours on a Saturday morning? Okay, Saturday. So it would be the one less. So Saturday. Alright, so everything is Saturday. So I could say this. The red team I will use this now. No. This. Guys, I'm literally have to put in the number of hours because it's very close. Alright, so from 8:30 to 9:30, this is 1 hour. From 10 to 11, 2 hours. So this field is used at 3 hours base. Alright. This one now from 9 to 10, that's 1 hour. And from 10 to this, so this is a 1.5. So this is a 1.5 hour. There's this one from 10 to 11 is 1 hour plus half. So this is 1.5. Alright. So we have that, right? So 1 and 1 at 2.5. This used at 2.5. Let's see how many this use from 8:30 to 10. So 8:30, this is 1 hour plus a half, so that's 1.5 hour. And this from 10:30, basically here, so until 10:30, 10:50. So you have 15 minutes or so. Alright. So this is 1 hour, 1.5, 1 hour, 45 minutes. Okay, so 1 and 3/4. Alright, so this give a total of 2.5. Let us see if how much this add up to. The quarter upon that, so this is a 3.25. So it's primary school fee. So it's this one. Very nice question, dude. Very nice question. Very nice question. Very impressive. Alright, so that's our primary school. So it's primary school. Which team practiced for more than 90 minutes? So 90 minutes, 90 minutes, 90 minutes, more than 90 minutes. A blue team. Oh no, no, no. Watch out. This was to 11. This is not 2 hours. 10 to 11. Guys, I made an error. Let me see something. This is not 3 hours. Hold on. Good thing said the follow-up question did it. That was not 3 hours. I was just looking at the numbers and say 1, 2. So from 10, it's a 1 hour. So it's the basic. It's a 2 hours in a. So it's the basic school fee. This is not correct. So this is the correct answer for this one. Alright, and it says which team practiced, or that would be the blue team, for more than 90 minutes. So the blue team. Alright, so that concluded, guys. Sorry about that little error there. I put it for 2 when it was actually 1 hour. So it's from 10 to 11. See there? From 10 to 11. So that's 1 hour. So this is a total of 2. So that will be basic. Okay, nobody put that in the comment section. So it's actually basic for that one. Alright guys, so see you guys in the next video. 7 minutes out, no doubt. See you guys in the next video. Ensure you are subscribed so you can get the notification. Alright, I'm out.